What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 122, and today's topic will be how to convert web search results into Neo4j knowledge graph using LangChain. Okay, suppose you have a topic which you want to search from the internet and you want to create a knowledge graph directly from from those written content from the web search or internet search, right? Let's say suppose you want to search about an article or maybe some news, and everything you want to do it automatically, like you will just write a query, I mean the question, it will search in the internet and it will generate the knowledge graph into Neo4j. Okay, so let's start working that thing. Okay, so first thing what we'll do, we'll be going to write here Neo4j Sandbox. Okay, first we'll write this thing here. So this is the sandbox for Neo4j. Okay, sandbox.neo4j.com. It came here, right? Now, first we'll create a sandbox. Let it complete. Okay, so here I'll just go down and I'll create a blank sandbox. And my credentials are downloaded. Okay, yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just open it, and what I'll do, I'll be just going to copy this thing. Okay, copy, and I will just put it into this env file. Okay, and next thing, for search I'll be going to use this one, this website. This is Stabily Search, and you have to go here to sign up, and after that you will get an API key. You have to copy that API key and you have to put it in this file. And don't worry guys, after the tutorial I delete everything, so don't worry that I'm just going to continue with this thing. Okay, so environment is set up, right? Now what we'll do, I will go here and I will, it's a blank sandbox, so I can open it. Okay, and show you guys that there is nothing. Okay, 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 so let's use user ID password like this, and I'll go here and I will copy the password from here. Okay, okay, it's getting downloaded. Okay, so never, if you see it's a blank sandbox, right? So nothing to worry. So now we'll be going to start working on the code. So first thing first, what we'll do, we'll be just going to first uh, load this environment variable. So from .env import load.env, right? And then from LangChain community.tools, okay, import heavily search results. Okay, then load.env, done. Okay, then tool equals to, right, heavily search results, right, like this. Then I will write max results. Okay, max results, I'll just going to put it 1. Okay, then I'll be just going to write search depth. Search depth will be advanced. Okay, be advanced. Okay, then what else? I think include answer, include raw content, and include images. Okay, so include answer, then equals to true, then include raw content. Okay, that is also going to be true. Okay, and I just want to make include images, Okay, and I don't think anything else is required. So once this is done, we'll be just going to write response equals to tool dot invoke. Okay, and there I'll be just going to write a query, right? So it should be query. So what I'll just write, USA election 2024. Okay, so this is the latest news. Let it run, and then we're just going to write print response. Okay, so it will be a list of dictionary, I think. Let's see, it will come. Okay, if you say list, in the list you have this URL and the content. So basically it is coming from BBC, and this is the content. So what I'll do, I can easily write list of 0 and content. Okay, hopefully this will work. Okay, right now once I get this information, okay, I want to actually make this thing kind of summarize. Okay, so this is the raw content. Okay, raw content which is coming from here. I want to actually summarize this thing, right? To summarize this thing, what you need, uh, we need something to summarize. Like in the last tutorial we have seen how to summarize document, right? So let's see. So first thing first, from langchain.core.prompts, right? You can just write import chat from template, right? So here I'm just going to write template equals to chat from template dot from template. Okay, and there we'll be just going to write this thing. Okay, I can easily write summarize this content with minimum sentences with uh, with focusing on all important information. Okay, so now this is done. Now what will happen, we'll be going to create a chain, but for creating the chain first I need to write from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Then I'm just going to write LLM equals to chat OpenAI like this, and then model equals to GPT hyphen 4. Oh, okay, everything is done here. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to create a, this is done, the result is done. Now I'll be just going to write chain, and how to create the chain, right? So to creating the chain I need to actually import another necessary like module. So that is going to be from uh, from LangChain, that will be LangChain.chains.combine document dot chains underscore combine document import create stop document chain, right? It will be create stop document chain. So it will be going to contain two things, right? LLM and this prompt. Okay. Okay. So prompt is ready. Now what we'll do? Summary equals to chain, right? Um, dot invoke. Okay. So context equals to raw content. Now here I forget summarize this content. So here what we do, just going to write context. Okay, right, and then we're just going to print the summary and let's see what is coming here. Let's see. First, it will get information from the internet. What it is saying, that object has no attribute page content. Just hold on. Something is strange here. Okay. Okay. I'm just thinking why this is not working. Mm, okay. So basically, uh, it is failing. Let me check where actually it is getting failed. Failing here because it's just a text document. It is actually expecting a doc, right? What I'll do, we'll be going to create another new thing here. Okay, so let's see. So from LangChain, because I need to actually convert that into a document. So from LangChain dot doc store, okay, dot document equals to import document, right? So what I do, we will be just going to write here st summary document is this, right? And then st dot append. Okay. Okay. What I'll be just going to append there. So it should be, just hold on. It should be document, right, of page content. Page content will be this raw content. Okay, raw content, and it has two things. If you go here in the raw content, where is the raw content? It has URL and content. So I can easily write source equals to something as well. Okay, so maybe I can easily write here. So metadata equals to something like this, then source, okay, equals to URL, okay, and here it will be URL. Okay, so my summarized document is ready. Here I can easily paste it. Okay, and now let's see what is happening. Okay, the information whatever I'm getting from the web search, I'm converting that into a LangChain document. Okay. Okay, you see, I'm getting the response here. Okay. Okay, so here actually I want to, this is a print summary, and I want to actually write the actual message. So print raw content. Okay, so I just want to see some difference whether my prompt is correct or not, to check that. Okay, so let's do it. First it will print the summary and then the raw content. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. I'm just checking everything is working fine or not. Yep. I think these reports are actually not updated, so maybe that is why. But yeah, this is good that something is coming. So maybe I want to do something else. Uh, Apple new flagship Apple new research. Let's see if I find something from the internet or not, and then we'll be just going to again create another document. Okay, fine. Okay, so raw content is there. So I just don't need the raw content. I just need the summary. So once the summary is ready, so we'll be going to use this thing for graph document, right? Right. So for that, a couple of things are required. So from LangChain dot I think graph import I think Neo4j graph, and here I'll be just going to create Neo I create graph equals to Neo4j graph. Right. So one more thing we require, that is LLM transformer, right? To convert that thing using LLM transformer using NLP, right? So it will be part of LangChain experimental graph transformer. Okay, from LangChain experimental, okay, dot graph, like experimental dot graph transformer import LLM transformer, right? So here I'll be just going to write uh, LLM underscore transformer equals to what? So this LLM transformer will be uh, going to be created with the help of LLM graph transformer, and in the LLM I'll be just going to use LLM. Right, done. So the summary is ready. So with the summary I can create a graph document. Just create this blank first, and then what we'll do, g dot append. Okay, the same thing here. We'll be just going to copy this entire thing. Okay, because I just have only one URL. The URL will be always same, and I will be just going to contain this part. It should be summary. Okay, everything is ready, right? So if you want to print, let's print the GD first. Let's see. Okay, GD. What is happened? Like this. Let's see the GD. So it will be a LangChain document. Okay. Okay, LangChain underscore community dot graphs. Okay. Okay, done. Uh, let's do it here and check. Okay, so there is some problem. Summary meta source equal to response 0 URL. Okay, so what is saying? List append text no keyword argument. Right. So it should be, I forget, this should be document like this and like this. I forgot. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Okay, done. So this is done. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to convert it into graph document. So graph underscore docs equals to LLM transformer, right? And inside that I'll be just going to GD, right? And then what we'll do, I'll be just going to print this graph docs. Okay. Let's clear this thing and let's execute. Okay. Hmm. What it is saying, LLM transformer object. Okay, sorry. It will be what to graph document. Sorry guys, it is my mistake. I forgot to call the function. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do? Uh, graph dot add graph document, and inside that I'll be just going to write graph docs. Okay, fine. And now here I'll be just going to check still blank. Okay, let's execute this thing. Okay, okay, let it execute. Okay, this is ready. Let's go here and check. Basically, if you see activity, concept, organization, service, study, and so many different things are there. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to write call epoch dot meta graph. So we'll be able to see what is happening. Okay, that's it. So this is just for a simple graph, like, okay. But suppose you want to actually create graphs from multiple content. Okay, multiple content means you want to actually continuously build a knowledge graph on the same topic from the internet search, right? So that time you can easily do it by doing this. Okay, so this is just a POC, or you can call it as a prototype. Okay, that web search result can be converted as a knowledge graph as well. Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys the nearest use case whatever I can think. Suppose your company is doing some sort of marketing campaign. Okay, or maybe suppose you are working for a trading high frequency trading company like Tower Research or Goldman Sachs, or maybe Quadai, similar sort of company, right? So where they generally uh, get some market influencing, some influencing, or some indicator which can influence the market, like some news or some cases, illegal cases, fraud cases, some new product release, press release, etc. And based on that they can trigger an graph algorithm, because you have the raw data from the web search. After that you have this knowledge graph here, right? And once you have the knowledge graph, you can apply graph algorithm to get some prediction. So this is the very hypothetical thinking, right? So mainly nowadays most of the trading organization, like I mean trading organization means not like very small or mid size, some advanced companies, like if you see you will find that AI driven trading strategies. So how they are like developing those strategies, because to develop the strategy or automated strategy or AI driven strategy, you definitely need some data so that you can learn or train your machine learning model, right? Or else at least you can predict something. So to get the data, you have to do definitely some sort of research, and after you get the research data, you have to like parse that result into some sort of relational like relationship driven like manner. Like graph is popular because here every entity is combined with each other or connected with each other using some sort of like relation, right? And once you have the relationships are built, then you can easily apply the VDS algorithm, right? So I'm just giving you the example. You can come across a different use case as well, but this is the ultimate thing. If you don't know how to actually integrate with the web search result and convert that into Neo4j graph, you won't be able to actually grow, right? So that is why I'm just doing this sort of things, and probably I'll do couple of more use cases, and after that I'll be just going to start working on the fully fledged graph rack. Okay, so enough of talking guys, that's it. Now what I'll do, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. And before I conclude, if you are watching my channel or this video for the first time, thank you very much. Now please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification icon so that you should not miss any video from the future update. And also if you like my videos and like my work, and if you want me to like thanks or appreciate, I am looking for some sort of support, and that support is just put a comment, and also uh, try to subscribe and share my videos, because guys I need your help to grow, because without your help I won't grow. And the moment you guys are start subscribing and engaging with my channel visibility and reach will increase, and that will help me to reach the large number of audience. Okay, so enough of talking, that's it. I'll be going to meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.